So for the past week, I've been warning about what I see coming, and I'm giving you another warning about what I see coming. And it's not good for the stock market. Well, it can be good if you're on the right side. So let me share with you. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. All right, traders, make sure you click on that link in the description, grab that free trading course. Just go get it, okay? Anyway, so the whole thing about the markets is I've been warning for the last week that we're very, very, very slow on the Nasdaq. Oh, sorry, on the Dow Jones, right? We're very, very, very slow. What I mean by slow is look at this here, right? We had a big move up, and now look what's happening. We're struggling. Oh, we're struggling. And guess what's going to come next? Something like that. We're going to get a big drop in the markets. And once this domino falls, it's going to bring all the dominoes down with it. So we are getting ready. We are on the cusp of a very big drop in the markets. No Santa Claus rally for you this year, okay? And so right now we are getting ready for a really, really, really big drop in the markets because we are slowing oh geez, I'm burping all over the place through here. We are slowing down through here, and the Dow Jones right now, guys, is signaling this. Okay, we're getting very, very, very look at this here. Look how weak this is. Look at this last time. So look at this here. We had a big up bar through here, and then it completely fails. Right, we're completely failing all through this level through here. Now we're completely failing through here. We are getting ready, guys, for a really, 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 really big drop in the downside. And guess what, guys? There's something that's gonna come out of the market that they're gonna say, oh, this is the reason why the market dropped. No, the market dropped because the market is telling us that, hey, it's like a roller coaster, right? We're going up, 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 and then we're slowing down, and then we drop off the cliff, right? That's exactly, it's like the roller coaster pattern. There we go. Oh, maybe I can package that and sell it. Come get the roller coaster pattern. Magic roller coaster pattern. Get it coming. Come and get it while it lasts. It won't last forever. Oh. Right? The roller coaster pattern. So we see this pattern through here, and we're probably likely to see this moving down. So this domino is about to fall. Something big is going to come to the market, and we're about to see a really big sell-off in the markets through here. Looking at the S&P 500, and we're getting the same sort of thing. Look at this here, right? So if I bring this up through to here, look what happened. We had a big up bar to fail, breaking back down below this support level through here. So what comes next out of this level, guys? What comes next? This is what's coming next, and then we're about to see the waterworks. We're probably going to see a new low by the end of the year. How many trading days? Yeah, by the end of the year, right? We're probably going to see a new low by the end of this year. So I would not want to be trying to fight this market and say it's going to go up. No, right? No. We are definitely in a very slow, look how weak this is, right? We go up, we have a pullback, we get a big up bar, and then it goes sideways. And a big up bar, and then it pulls back. It's like, where's the strength in that? At least get some follow through. No follow through. So the market is speaking to us, okay? The market is talking to us, and it's saying that we are getting ready for a really big drop in the markets, and I would not want to be fighting this market through here, right? And then also, so that's actually what's going on in the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq as well too. The Nasdaq is the one that is just ship shaping. Like, look at the Nasdaq. Look how weak this is. Not only did we actually, look at this here. So we had a big move up, and then we had this sort of weak sideways, and we had another big up bar. Look what happened. Where's the follow through? Right? We're starting to get some upward movement. We should get some follow through. Down, down, down. Guess what comes next? And then breaking new lows. And mark my words, guys. Once we start to get below this 10,400 level, once we start to see a print of 10,000, that is it. 7,000 is where we are going in the Nasdaq. And it can be one of the greatest shorting opportunities in the markets right now. So traders, right now for me, I'm not a bull or bear. I'm a trader of the markets, right? There's actually setups that I'm looking at right now that are bullish in the stock market that could potentially be giving me a really good buying opportunity. So I don't want you to be thinking about, oh, this is bullish or this is bearish or this is bullish. What I do is, what do I do? I look at the actual markets, the indices. I say, okay, cool. Here's what the market is telling me, okay? But when it comes to the individual stocks, guess what? You analyze the individual stocks. You don't say, well, Nasdaq's going down, so therefore all markets are going to go, all the tech stocks are going to go down, which is probably going to happen, right? Or the S&P is likely to go down, so therefore all the stocks are going to go down, which can happen, but there's still going to be a small percent, call it 5, 10, 15% of stocks that are going to be making moves to the upside, big moves to the upside, while the S&P moves down. And I know that makes sense, right? It's a market of stocks. It's not a stock market. It's a market of stocks, not a stock market. The average, maybe 80% of them are going down when the S&P goes down. But guess what? It doesn't mean that all stocks are going down from there, and there are going to have. So guys, I'm a bull and bear. But I'm a bear right now on the Nasdaq because this is a bearish pattern. And we are about to get the rug pulled out underneath us. And we're about to see some really big movement on the downside. We're getting lots of weak signals in the market through here. Let's go have a look at gold right now. Gold had a really big sell-off today, right? Nice big down bar through there. We had this move up, come back down. We had a move up. What I do see happening with gold is because we had a big move up and then a little drop and a move up, we're probably likely to get something like this with gold. Okay, so we're probably likely to come down through here, all right, and then we're probably likely to maybe even do something like this, and then maybe see something like that. Okay, we're probably likely to get something like that in the markets here. We had a little move up, we come back down. We're probably likely to see something like that happening with gold through there. So that's what I'm seeing with the good old gold. And then let's have a look at the good old mining sector as well too. Mining sector had a little bit of a down day. The big issue that you want to see with the mining sector is this, okay? The big issue is that we are in a downward trend. And this is just an overall pullback in the mining sector. This is the mining sector here, right? We have a big move down. This could just be a pullback before we get a big move down. When I've been calling for a rally through here, we got the rally. What's coming next is probably likely to be a drop like that in the markets from there. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Let's go have a good look at the good old Bitcoin as well too. For my crypto fam, right? And Bitcoin is still not doing an absolute thing, nothing. Right, absolute nothing through here, and we're still developing this moving average coming down through here. So if we do this overall movement on Bitcoin, if we start to get something like this, like that, and then we get a big down bar like that, guess what, guys? It's all over, and we're probably likely to see a big sell-off. So right now, across the board, we're probably likely to see another big movement, even in the mining sector.